Fall selling season is upon us. With schools in session, summer vacation season ending, and cooler weather, we're experiencing an increased home selling activity here in the Bay Area. More homes are coming to the market, and more buyers are jumping in. At our recent open houses, the majority of the buyers were in the beginning stages of their home search process. The most common questions they asked: is now the right time to buy a home in the Bay Area? After all, the interest rates are not as low as they were just a few years back. Let's break it down. Just now, after the September meeting, the Feds announced a very aggressive 0.5% interest rate cut. Everyone was expecting a 0.25% rate reduction, and this 0.25% drop was already baked into the mortgage interest rates. Average mortgage rate was at 6.2%, according to Freddie Mac's weekly mortgage rate survey, the lowest level in more than a year and a half. Now the officials hinted at another 0.5 point of reduction before the end of the year. This move definitely will drive mortgage interest rates further down, increasing housing affordability and reinvigorating the housing market. Buyers and sellers, who will be the first to react to this improved lending environment, will have an advantage and will benefit from the increased market activity. Inventory, the number of homes available for sale, is one of the main challenges in the Bay Area housing market. Total number of homes is limited by the amount of buildable land, and here on Peninsula, most available land was already built on. We have bay on one side, mountains on the other, and cities stacked one next to another from San Francisco all the way to San Jose. And while the major tech employers like Google, Apple, Meta, Nvidia, and many others are staying here, people will be moving to the Bay Area, and not just to enjoy our amazing climate. This housing demand was constantly driving home prices up, making real estate one of the best and most stable investments for many residents. The median home sale price in Santa Clara and San Mateo counties increased by more than 110%. In some cities, home values grew by more than 230%. Actually, I can't think of any 10-year period when Bay Area home prices declined. This home value appreciation became the biggest factor in the wealth accumulation for many local homeowners. Another benefit of buying a home is putting a cap on your housing costs. If you would purchase a home now, let's say with a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage, your cost of home ownership would remain almost unchanged until you pay off your mortgage. The cost of owning a home is PITI, principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. Principal and interest are the cost of your mortgage. Property taxes in California are limited to no more than 2% increases annually, and the insurance cost, in my experience, does not change by much year over year. Yes, you probably heard about some homeowner insurers' horror stories recently, but so far, they're happening mostly in the fire danger areas, not in the urban environments. Don't forget about the income tax benefits home ownership provides. Mortgage interest payments and property taxes may be deductible from your income and might provide additional benefits to the homeowners. If you are thinking about buying a home and you're planning to own it for a long period of time, in the current environment, I would say 10 or more years, figure out your comfortable price point and jump into the market as soon as possible. As for the sellers, the demand for homes is as high as ever, and the sale prices are at record high levels in many Bay Area communities. If you are thinking about selling your home, you need to answer two questions. First one, if I sell my home, where am I going to go? Do I have a plan for where to move to? The second question is, what about my capital gain taxes? Can I accomplish my goals after settling the tax bill after selling my home? If you have answers for these two questions, putting your home on the market and selling it should be a very productive and rewarding project. This is Michael Talis with the Talis team. If you are thinking about buying or selling a home within a year or even two, let's get together on the phone or on Zoom to review what you need to do to enter the market and to complete a successful purchase or sale. My contact information is in the description of this video. Keep in mind that I'm available in the evenings and on weekends at the times when you're off work. I'm looking forward to connecting with you. Till next time.